ice cream truck is here. But wait, I can only get one. How can I get more than one? I know. I'll steal the ice cream truck. Ha 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 ha.
Hello. What can I get?
Ha 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 ha. Now to drive it away from the house so my parents won't find out. Okay. Now to eat all the ice cream.
Hey Gage.
Yes, Sonic.
You do know there's a ice cream truck out there, right?
What ice cream truck?
Right out the window.
Oh, I didn't hear it coming.
Wait, you didn't?
No. Did you?
As a matter of fact, no. Are ice cream trucks supposed to play music? Hey Sonic. What's going on? Well, I saw a ice cream truck. But I didn't hear it coming. Well, that's odd. They're supposed to play music. Should we go check it out? I think so. Let's see what's going on.
This ice cream is so good. I am never going to stop eating them.
Wait, is that who I think it is? I think so. It sounds like Caillou. I'll go get him. Hey.
What?
Did you steal that ice cream truck and eat all the ice cream?
No, I didn't eat any of it.
Then how did you get fat?
Okay, you got me. I stole the ice cream truck and ate all the ice cream.
Oh, Caillou. You are not supposed to do that. You know eating that much is unhealthy. That's it. I am calling your parents.
Caillou, how dare you steal an ice cream truck and get fat? That's it. You are grounded until your fat body is gone. Let's go home now. Go to your room right now.